Hi there, welcome to Crafty Shenanigans. I'm Shannon Smith, and today I want to teach you a really fun tool that will be so useful to you in using your Cricut. Welding. Many of you probably know how to use it. I knew that it was possible to do it. I just had never tried it out and put it to practical use. But I'm here to show you how, and if you haven't done it, you're going to be really excited because it's going to open up all kinds of doors for you. So let's just jump in and get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do after you open up your canvas is you're going to want to look on the left-hand side where it says text, and you'll go ahead and click on that and it'll open up a little text box. Then you can go ahead and type in whatever it is you want to say, and up at the top where it says fonts, you'll click on that and you'll be able to see all of the different fonts available. So go ahead and select that and you can mess with your text. You can also, if you have a color preference and you want to work with that, you can go ahead and you can select the color as well. So then after that, you're going to want to go to where it has letter space, and you're going to be able to squish your words together a little bit using that. As you can see, we're just squishing them together a little bit, but you can see that there's a huge space between the H and the A from happy. So we're going to try something a little bit different so you can see that there are some options. So I went ahead and I hit undo, and so that it wasn't all squished together. And now I'm going to go ahead and ungroup it. And the button for ungroup is going to be on your right hand side. So now that I've ungrouped it, I can move my letters individually. I do have to hit the shift key and hold it down while I move it over with my mouse, and that will keep it lined up. So you can see I want to make sure that they're touching, because after I do this, I'm going to show you how to weld it. Okay, now I'm going to select all of the word and I'm going to hit attach. It's down at the bottom on the right hand side. So you can see I've got it attached, but you can see that there's lines still, and that's where the Cricut's going to cut. We don't want it to cut, we want it to be all one piece. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit the weld button. And now we can go ahead and get it all situated how we want it, because I want to actually attach both of these pieces together now. So I'm selecting all of it, and now I'm going up to the top and I'm hitting a line, and I'm going to have it centered. Now I'm moving it up so it's touching. Selecting all of it and hitting attach. Then I'm going to hit weld again. Now you can see there's no cutting lines that are going to separate these pieces. Super easy, right? I hope you found that this information was useful for you, and if you haven't done any kind of welding before, that maybe now you'll give it a shot and be brave and try something new. And I hope that if you found this useful, that maybe you'll share this video with your friends and consider subscribing. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again.